Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows is my personal experience using Qtum. Qtum's website, found at qtum.org, offers a comprehensive introduction to this innovative cryptocurrency platform. Qtum aims to bridge the gap between the established world of business applications and the cutting-edge technology of blockchain. By combining the strengths of Bitcoin's UTXO model with the flexibility of Ethereum's smart contract functionality, Qtum seeks to provide a robust and adaptable environment for developers. The platform boasts a unique account abstraction layer that enables compatibility with multiple virtual machines, allowing developers to choose the best tools for their specific projects. This interoperability is a key feature, designed to foster a broader range of decentralized applications, DApps. Qtum's focus on security and stability is underscored by its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which promotes energy efficiency and network resilience. Beyond the technical specifications, the website also highlights Qtum's community and ecosystem. It emphasizes the project's commitment to open-source development and collaboration, inviting developers and users to participate in shaping the future of the platform. Information regarding the Qtum Foundation, its governance model, and its ongoing initiatives further underscores the project's commitment to transparency and community engagement. The site offers a wealth of resources, including documentation, tutorials, and links to the Qtum Explorer, empowering users to delve deeper into the technical aspects and practical applications of the technology. Whether you're a seasoned blockchain developer or just beginning to explore the world of cryptocurrencies, the Qtum website provides a valuable entry point to understanding this ambitious and evolving platform.